Okay, you mastered the trick for numbers ending in 5. 85 squared? Easy, 7225. But what happens when I give you this, 32 squared? Panic mode? No. Today I'm giving you the ultimate upgrade, a method to square any two-digit number in seconds.
The rule is simple. Square the first digit on the left, square the last digit on the right, and for the middle, multiply the digits together and double it. Remember, multiply and double. That is the secret.
Does this look familiar? Yes, it's a perfect square. Let's try 32. Left zone, square the first digit. 3 squared is 9. Right zone, square the last digit. 2 squared is 4. Middle zone, multiply the digits. 3 times 2 equals 6, and double it. Double 6 is 12. So we have 9, 12, 4. Now combine them. The right zone must only have one digit. 4 is fine. The middle has 12. Keep the 2, carry over the 1 to the left. 9 plus 1 is 10. The result, 10, 2, 4. 1024.
Yay!
Boom!
Think that was luck? Let's try a monster. 74 squared. Left zone, 7 squared is 49. Right zone, 4 squared is 16. Middle zone, 7 times 4 is 28. Double it, that's 56. Setup, 49, 56, 16. Now, handle the carries from right to left. Right zone has 16. Keep the 6, carry the 1. Add it to 56, it becomes 57. Middle is now 57. Keep the 7, carry the 5. Add it to 49, it becomes 54. Final answer, 5476. No calculator needed.
Your homework challenge. What is 63 squared? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll heart the correct ones.